Another major decision from the Supreme Court. In a 6-3 ruling, the justices announced the reversal of a ban on bump stocks. The majority opinion states a bump stock does not turn a rifle into the federal definition of a machine gun. So thank you for joining us this midday. We are live on ABC 30, Hulu Live, and wherever you stream. I'm Jason Oliveira.
And I'm Graciela Moreno. The ban on bump stocks had been in place following a mass shooting in Las Vegas in 2017. ABC's Perry Russum shares both sides of the ruling and the reaction from another high court decision on abortion pill access.
The Supreme Court says bump stocks, a gun accessory allowing a semi-automatic rifle to fire at a high rate, does not turn a rifle into a machine gun. The decision reverses a bump stock ban started under the Trump administration, defended by the Biden administration. The ban started after the 2017 mass shooting in Las Vegas, where the shooter used a bump stock, killing 60 people, hurting hundreds more. Justice Clarence Thomas with the opinion of the court, writing, semi-automatic firearms, which require shooters to re-engage the trigger for every shot, are not machine guns. Justice Sonia Sotomayor in dissent writes, when I see a bird that walks like a duck, swims like a duck, and quacks like a duck, I call that bird a duck.
And I suspect we are likely to see more decisions along these lines where agency decisions get overridden by the conservative majority on the Supreme Court.
It comes on the heels of the Supreme Court's unanimous decision to keep mifepristone available, where the fight over access to the drug is not over.
We're going to bring a case with more standing next time.
In Justice Brett Kavanaugh's opinion of the court, he writes the plaintiffs had sincere legal, moral, ideological, and policy objections to abortion. That's being seen as a possible open door to other legal challenges by those against abortion rights.
But the fight is not over. We know that means this is going to continue down at the district court level.
And 3 states are challenging access to mifepristone. They are Idaho, Kansas, and Missouri. They have already sued the FDA, saying the abortion pill interferes with their state law. In Washington, Perry Russum, ABC 30 Action News.